Hello dear student, welcome to Easy Math classes.
Today we learn about angles made by parallel lines and transversal. So let's start. Two parallel lines and transversal. Here line L1 and L2 are parallel lines and line T is transversal as you can check in the given figure. यहाँ L1 और L2 parallel lines है और line T transversal है. Due to that parallel lines and transversal intersect each other, 8 angles are formed. As you can see in the figure, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the above side and 5, 6, 7, 8 on the lower side. Corresponding angles. When two lines cross by another line, that is transversal, the angle in the matching corners are called corresponding angles. जब दो पैरेलल लाइंस और ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं तो मैचिंग कॉर्नर वाले एंगल्स करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स होते हैं. Here you can look into the figure. These two angles are corresponding angles. In these 8 angles of the given figure, angle number 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8 are the corresponding angle pairs. Alternate angles. When two lines cross by another line, that is transversal, the pair of angles on the inner side of each of those lines but on the opposite sides of the transversal are alternate angles. जब दो पैरेलल लाइंस और ट्रांसवर्सल इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं तो पैरेलल लाइंस के इनर साइड और ट्रांसवर्सल के अपोजिट साइड जो पेयर ऑफ एंगल फॉर्म होते हैं वो है अल्टरनेट एंगल्स. यू कैन चेक इन द गिवन फिगर. एज यू कैन चेक इन द गिवन फिगर, एंगल x and angle x, also angle y and angle y are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are congruent. In the given figure, angle 2 and 8, also angle 3 and 5 are the alternate pairs of angles. Vertically opposite angle. The angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be vertically opposites. In the given figure, angle 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 7 and 6 and 8 are the vertically opposite angles. Interior angles. Any of the four angles form in the area between a pair of parallel lines when a transversal cut them are interior angles. As you can check in the figure, angle x and angle y are the interior angles. Also, interior angles are supplementary. That is, measurement of angle x plus measurement of angle y is equal to 180 degree. In the given figure, angle 2 and 5 and 3 and 8 are the interior pairs of angles. These pairs of angles are supplementary angles. Their sum is 180 degree.
Thanks for watching this video. For more video like this, please be connected.